Imagine you walk into a room full of opportunity, a job interview, a new country, a seminar, maybe your dream career. The room is full of voices, noise, and people who seem more confident than you. But suddenly, everything becomes silent because you realize something powerful. You will rise or fall at this moment based on one skill, English. Not because English is superior, but because English is the bridge between your dreams and the world. And today, in this video, I am going to help you build that bridge. Stay till the end, something will unlock inside you. Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Morning Muse. This channel is not just about English, it is about transformation. Every video here teaches you one thing. Your mind is your biggest weapon and English is the edge that sharpens it. Today's session is different. It is deep, emotional, motivational. A journey inside your mind and your fears. And how English can empower your identity, confidence and destiny. I speak slowly in this video and clearly because my goal is not just to inspire you but to help you understand every single word. Slow English is a gift for learners. It trains your ears, strengthens your confidence and allows your brain to absorb natural sentence patterns without any pressure. When English is spoken fast, beginners feel lost. But when English is spoken slowly, you build real fluency step by step. This video is designed to make you feel comfortable, included and capable, no matter what level you are starting from. Slow English is not weakness, it is the strongest foundation for powerful communication. Everyone who wants to speak English fluently faces one invisible enemy, that is fear. Fear of being wrong, fear of being judged, fear of sounding funny, fear of mispronouncing one word. Let me tell you a secret. Every fluent speaker you admire today once sounded exactly like you. They stumbled, they paused, they got laughed at, but they kept going. Your struggle is not a sign of weakness. It is a sign that your mind is building a new identity. Let's discover the story of Ria, the girl who found her voice. Meet Ria, bright mind, big dreams, but whenever she tried to speak English, she froze. Her heart beat fast. Her thoughts disappeared. Her voice vanished. People mocked her English. She pretended to laugh, but inside it broke her. One day she told her mentor, "I feel like English is a mountain. I can see the top, but I can't climb it." Her mentor replied, "Then stop climbing. Just take one step, one sentence, one word. That's the real journey." That night, Ria started practicing. Not perfectly, but bravely. Little by little, she didn't become perfect. She became unstoppable. Let's discover how your brain can learn English easily. Your brain is an incredible machine. When you hear a new English word, your brain makes a new connection. When you repeat it, the connection becomes stronger. When you use it in real life, the connection becomes permanent. This is not magic. This is science. Consistency creates fluency. The problem is not that English is difficult. The problem is that people quit before their brain adapts. But you If you are still listening, you are already winning. Let's jump into the power of listening. Here's something most learners don't know. Fluency begins with listening, not speaking. Babies learn their mother tongue by listening for almost 2 years before talking. You must do the same. Listen to English podcasts, English songs, English stories. Let English enter your environment. The more you hear a language, the more your brain absorbs its rhythm without effort. This is how you build natural fluency. Next, the chapter is to improve the courage to speak. Most people say, I will speak when I will feel confident. But the truth is, you will feel confident only when you start speaking. Confidence does not come before speaking. It comes after speaking badly many times. Say one simple sentence a day. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Narrate your day. Read aloud. Your voice is your tool. Sharpen it daily. Next chapter is improving your own English. If you are surrounded by people who don't speak English, don't wait for them to change. Change your environment. Watch English content. Join English groups. Text in English. Surround yourself with the language you want to master. Your environment is stronger than your motivation. Next, practical daily routine. In the morning, you can listen to a 5-minute English audio every day. In the afternoon, you can learn 3 new words. In the evening, speak 5 sentences about your day. In the night, read 1 page of anything in English. This simple routine can transform your fluency in only 60 days. Now, talk about destiny does not wait for perfect English. Opportunities will not wait for you to become perfect. They come to those who are ready, not flawless. Don't delay your dreams waiting for perfect grammar. Start now with what you know. The world respects effort, not perfection. Now, discover the breakthrough moment. There comes a moment in every learner's life. The moment when English stops being a subject and becomes a superpower. You will feel it soon, a day when a sentence flows smoothly, a day when you understand something without translation, a day when someone compliments your English. That moment changes everything. You should understand the fact that English is your global passport. English expands your world. It connects you with different cultures, different countries, different opportunities, technologies, and knowledge. It makes you adaptable, employable, and confident. With English, you are not limited by your location. Your mind becomes global. Your future self is watching. The successful, confident version of you. It is watching you right now and asking one question. Will you speak or stay silent? Choose to speak. Choose to rise. Choose to growth over fear. This is your new beginning. This is not the end of a video. This is the beginning of a new version of you. A version who speaks English confidently. A version who learns. A version who grows. A version who becomes unstoppable. If this message touched you, stay with Miss Morning Muse, where your mind, your mornings, and your English all transform together. Your destiny is waiting, and now you have the language to reach it.